What a boring intro to start. I hate this setup. It makes me look like I'm in a one of those investigation room where you're just kind of like, yes, no, maybe, I think so. And I haven't been doing any intros while I'm out there, right? As you guys know, it gets dark fast, it's cold, and I don't know what the heck I'm doing. So I'm just going out there having a good time, and that's what you're supposed to do too. But so long story short, my friend Dal, as you guys all know, I fish with him a lot. He's my best friend. And he's like, dude, let me kidnap you. Let's go on fish. I'm bored. Let's just go hang out. And in this video, we went walleye fishing in Fort Atkinson. You guys know it's a home river to me. I love that river. Great fishery. I hate it sometimes because it's so good that it sets a high standard. So sometimes it's really tough. Let me show you guys what we're doing. I'm going to show you guys exactly what I got here in front of me. And we're going to talk real quick. Stay tuned. All right, so what I have in here in front of me is the Moxie. We're talking about Moxie. Yes, this brand right here has been around for a long time. You can find them at Fleet Farm, Bass Pro Shop, just about anywhere. They're lures that people look right over because they look funny. I'm not gonna lie. They got a bunch of rib cage on them, and they have a weird looking tail that does not look like it will work. But I'll tell you guys right now, I've been using these for 3 years, going on 4 years now, and they always trigger the bite. Let me show you guys the color we're using. We call it like the silly Joker color. I'm actually using the 3-inch. I have 3 and 4-inch mixed up in here, but this is the 3-inch. Okay, just show you guys real quick here. That's the 3-inch. All right, let me see if I can just like hold it like that. Yeah, there it goes. That's what it looked like. Like I said, a bunch of like little ripples here for crazy action. Chartreuse tail. This color with a 1 ounce, not 1 ounce, 1/4 ounce jig head. Okay, just like that. Don't follow me. There we go. All right, nothing crazy. I used the Kalin's brand. They work good, sharp hooks. And the way I rig this, all right, this is not the back, all right? That's the belly. The way you rig this, just put the hook right in. It's nice that it's transparent. You can see through it. Push it through. Ta-da! Oh my. Secret, guys, secret. Deadly secret right here. Right? It's just the grub. This is the color that we were using. We were jigging plastic too, like what we would for crappies, and that seems to work. Same color. I don't have it here with me because I ran out, but it is that like purple and chartreuse with the white or green jig head. This color right here, we pretty much cast it out there. Just slow drag it at the bottom. The current will work the ripples and the tail and everything. They'll do that for you. You pretty much just hop it at the bottom, just drag it. You can either pop it, drag it, slow roll, or yeah, it's a drag right? Hop it, yeah, something like that. Depending how rocky it is or how much lay down there are, I do fish it with 12-pound test, fluoro, 10, but normally I go with 8. I like 8 because that lighter line just gives this thing freedom. It gives it a lot of action. It's very finesse. You know, lighter line better. That's just the theory of it, but I got away with 12. Like, you use 12 pounds, you should be just fine. So if you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave some comments down below. Hit that thumbs up because you guys are awesome, and I really appreciate all the support that you guys do for me. And let's go out there and have some fun. So I'll see you guys out on this video. No outro again. It was no outro. Intro, here's the outro, and enjoy the video. Peace. Alright, attempt number 100. It's very rocky here too. Alright, fine. Back to minnows. Right? They want that raw meat. And a rock bass. Snake bass. I got fish! I got fish, bro! Yeah, I got a fish! On a jig head! That's a walleye! Dude, nice! Let's go! I actually got one, dude! Yeah, I got you. That's a nice fish! Why don't you be a sheephead? Oh, it's a walleye! Let's go! Let's go! Oh no! 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 I popped up!
Bro, I was gonna say, just hold it steady for a minute.
Bro, it's a nice walleye.
Maybe they're in the bottom.
How did it pop up? I mean, I didn't even get a good hook set on them. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. Let's go. Ooh, I got you. Right, slow. It's a little guy. It worked. Good job, dude.
Worked.
Small, but still, man, no skunk. Still good fish. Hey. I got one, bro. Got a fish. Walleye. Yep. Let's go. Haha. It's short, but still. Nice. It's a stock fish. Yeah. It's a stock fish. Yeah. Nice. Look how colorful it is. It's cool. Dude, I got another one. This is a nice one. Ooh, don't get it broken. It might be close, That's a nice one right there.
You want my bump board?
Yeah, we're gonna have to get it. Where's it's in a bucket. Oh yeah. You sure your bump board's correct, bro?
Bling Rapala, bro.
Alright. Well, it's a short fish. We'll call it. Short fish. I knew what I was doing. Oh, I got another one. Small one. It's small. But still, it's fun, you know? I got you. It's an eddy right here. They climb up. They're not 18, but it's still fun to catch them after a rough day. Beautiful fish. Off of a crappie jig, guys. Yeah. Okay. Reel it. Keep the pin, bro. That's a good one. Yeah, come on. That's a nice one. I got you. Hey, here we go. No skunk.
Still short, but oh, yeah, bro.
Yeah, the line just burned me. Still short, but fun to fight. They fight hard, right? Nice, dude. Let's go.
You found the spot, DYang.
Alright, just keep jigging it till the big ones crawl in. Dang, he's destroyed it.
Yeah.
There you go. Good fish. Good stuff, dude. Yeah, that one was so dark, man. It was messed up.
He takes what you know, and then he like changes it.
Got him.
I saw that, bro.
Hey. Yep, small guy. We are crushing walleye with crappie jigs. This is fun. Dude, look how fat it is. Wow. Oh, dude, he has a fish in his mouth. That is cool, dude. He has a fish in his mouth. That's crazy. Got him, bro. Let's go. That's a giant, dude. That's a giant. Oh, you were laughing at my worm. That's a giant, bro. Just kidding. What you laughing at my worm?
Hey, I'm fucking the ball, bro.
I'm just kidding, guys. Just hyping it up. Dude, you actually ate it, bro.
Yeah,
Oh, let's go.
oh, man, they want the top.
Oh, I told you.
I do believe.
Got it, bro. Let's go.
Dude,
Go, dude.
show me, bro.
Hey, you want to reel it in?
How big is it?
I don't know, but I might need your help, dude. Oh, it's not big. It's not big. But still, it's fun to catch them. I don't know. I think we should go to the bait shop. You want to catch those 20 inches.
Later. Yeah. Where do you want to go now?
I'll go later. I don't want to hype it up yet.
I was gonna say this fish here.
Yeah, this fish here. Dude, it's so clean. It smells. It smells so good.
How fast are you reeling it? Like this?
No, just banging it at the bottom. Yeah, just nice and slow. Yeah. I'm letting the. Oh, you know what? Let the current do the work. Just retrieve it, but let the current make the tail dance. You know what I mean? That's a nice fish.
Oh, I don't know what you mean.
Just retrieve. Yeah, just retrieve slow. It's so fun when they hit it.
Yeah.
Oh, what the? Oh, it's stuck on your backpack. Got another one. Yep. Oh, shoot, sorry. I'm just so excited, dude. Look at them fight. Oh, geez, I don't know. They just fight hard. And we're on board, guys. Nope, not big. Sorry. Ah! Look at the color on that thing. Dude, you're like blue like my dragon, bro. I'm just kidding. Look at that. That's that bagel size, bro. Cool fish. Nice ride, man.
Lost down here?
Just a few. Yeah. Small ones. Yeah. Jump. I got him, bro. Small. Jeez, dude, they're just okay, we gotta switch, bro. We gotta switch.
Bro, I don't know what I don't do, man.
Gee, I was just talking to God and this thing just, I didn't even retrieve. Just smacks it. This lure is killing it, guys. Yep, it's good. Yeah? Whoa! Let's go now! Oh, I can't get her off. Still, you never know, bro. They fight hard. Oh, that's still good. Yeah, good size. Yep. Hey, he's a fighter, dude. Oh, that's actually, I don't know, man. I don't know. I can't call it yet. Let me help you. Yep. Oh, okay. That's actually a pretty decent size.
I don't think
he's not 18, but he's close. See ya. Now, I was just making fun of the one I caught earlier. I was like, bro, this one looks like...
okay.
Nice, dude. There you go. Good stuff.
Yep.
Now it's on board.
Catch you